worlds in the coming days.
Today, the CEO of Moderna got the world's attention, warning that the current COVID vaccines may not work as well on this new Omicron variant. This as the head of the CDC says we have more tools to fight the variant than we had at this time last year. News 8's Lisa Carberg talked with a local doctor on the front lines. She's here now with his take on these new developments. Lisa.
Darren, Hartford Healthcare's Dr. Ulysses Wu urges caution talking about the Omicron variant. His main concern is the variant we're currently battling here in Connecticut, Delta, which continues to keep our numbers rising. The world has already seen many COVID variants throughout the pandemic. Moderna's CEO today saying the vaccines would be less effective against the Omicron variant is a worst-case scenario, says Dr. Ulysses Wu, Hartford Healthcare Chief Epidemiologist and System Director of Infectious Diseases.
So the analogy would maybe be something similar to the flu shot, which has some variable effectiveness every flu season. And so if there is some protection associated with the Moderna and or Pfizer, it's better than no protection.
He says he would still like to have the most optimal protection. The science can make that possible.
That's the beauty of this technology, that it can be very quickly adapted to create new vaccines if that is the case. This could turn out to be a deadlier, more transmissible, worse virus, but the reality is we still have a current virus that is really bad.
Dr. Wu points out that Connecticut has a lot of work to do to deal with the Delta variant.
All the cases that are rising in Connecticut right now with cases and hospitalizations and unfortunately deaths, these are all Delta right now. So it's not like Delta has gone away.
He's hoping the state can make progress against it to put Connecticut in a better position.
If Omicron or any other variants show up, it could be a game changer. And we saw this in the summer, where Delta, if there wasn't Delta, we would have seen normal low summer numbers. But because of Delta, we saw another wave.
And Dr. Wu reminds us that the way out of this pandemic is up to all of us. He points out that vaccination and masking are not just a personal choice, but a choice with societal consequences, which include protecting loved ones. Lisa Carberg, News 8.